Tulungan na ako sa mo.
Okay, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat and welcome back muli sa ating live. This is our second game ng ating matchup. Ayan, congratulations kanina sa San Juan Integrated School ang unang pumasok sa finals. At sino naman ang susunod between these two teams, Santa Lucia Elementary School versus the defending champion, ang West Crame. Tingnan natin kung madidepensahan ng West Crame Elementary School ang kanilang titulo ngayong season. Good luck for both team. Siyempre, ang first unang nila sa semis ang Santa Lucia. Mayalaman natin yan, maya naman po.
Jersey number 13, Rora. Jersey number 12, jersey number
Sa ating mga
9,
pumili
Rora.
dito. Nag-away din, JM Alfonso. Seryoso. Shoutout. Good luck. Napaka-supportive, ano? Hello. Shoutout Robin. Quaresma. Yan sa ating kabila. Ayun, hello po. Hello. Siyempre, support ka. Let's the battle begin. Grabe ang ating main event. The defending champion versus my alma mater, ang San Juan Elementary School. Good luck.
Committee time off.
Oy! Shoutout oh! Hey! Ate! Napaka-supportive na parents na nasawa.
John Paulo
Ay!
Prieto.
Thank you po.
Sa paglalay.
Thank you.
Sana.
Thank you po, thank you.
Baka po pwede kayo samahan ni Sir Clerical. District champion po namin.
Sige oh, syempre sa
San Lucia,
yung court.
Barangay San Lucia po.
Yun oh, home court pa lang, masakali. Good luck. Pero syempre, mabigat ang kalaban ng Santa Lucia Elementary School. Ang defending champion yan.
John Power Florida, pang-follow po sa Facebook.
Thank you.
Madalas po siya mag-live.
Ay, good luck. Sir, pa yung space.
Follow na rin po. Sheila Aguilar sa Facebook. Idaray na rin, winning shot, sportswear.
Ayan, si Malong versus De La Cruz ang magtitipop. First ball, number 14, miss. Rebound, Argarin. To number 2, 4-3, yes sir. For Gamboa. Oh, sorry, that's a Malong. Another steal. Number 31, pass number 2, step back 2. No good.
Foul number 31, Colombo. First personal foul, first team foul.
De La Cruz, fake. Last touch.
5 seconds.
Steal. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 12, Palikte. First personal foul,
Ay,
first
Palikpik.
team foul.
Basket. For Palikpik. Second shot, wala. Rebound ng Santa Lucia Elementary. Nasa De La Cruz. Torre, 4-3, no. Rebound ng West Crame. Reverse layup, no good. Rebound. Espolita, paso Jai. Jai, paso Espolita. Too strong. Rebound. Uy, ganda ng mga pass doon. Finding open man for the defending champion.
6-0 in favor of West Clave.
Jai. Pass to. That's a traveling violation. Pass number 2, side step. Passes the corner, pull up. Rebound by number 12. Pass to Jai, 4-3. No good. De La Cruz to number 14. No good. Rebound ng defending champion. Last touch. Same ball. Nasa corner, 4-3, in and out. Rebound by Espolita. Pass number 14.
6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Top of the key for 3. Yes, para sa Andres. And the first field goal para Santa Lucia Elementary School. Down by 3. Number 31 setting on the play.
12 seconds.
Malong. Uy. No basket.
Foul number 28.
Foul by De La Cruz.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Oh, block from behind. Espolita. Steal by number 3. Number 3. That's a traveling. Outlet pass. De La Cruz. Walang tawag. Rebound. Ay na ang Krame nagmamadali. Trap pass. Pass number 3. Pull up. Basket. Ay Colombo. De La Cruz. Pass to Espolita. Fake. To number 14. Pass to Jai. Jai, sidestep, ligay, Espolita, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound, Espolita, Espolita, strong drive, wala pa rin. Rebound ng West Krame, 2 against 1. Number 2. 2 against 2, Arga rin.
15 seconds.
15 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot.
Number 31, pass to Malong. Malong. Basket yan for Malong. Mandatory substitution. Change 5 tayo. Time remaining 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Mandatory substitution. It's a 10-3 in favor of the West Krame. Ball. Cross court pass. Albaladeo for 3. Yes, para sa Andres. For Albaladeo. 10-6. Down by 4. To number 13. Bounce pass sa loob. Kick out. For 3. Oh, what my sagot. Si number 13. Felipe Binky. Pass to Paul. 4-3. Oh! 3-point for Kililan. Paul. Pull up jumper. Miss. Rebound by Pahe. Number 18. What an extra pass. Number 29. 15-9 in favor pa rin sa defending champion. Felipe. Nabitawan. Steal number ng 15. Napalakas. Napalakas nga lang. Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Felipe. Pass to Paul. Kililan, top of the key for 3. 3-point for Kililan. Babasa 3 ang lamang ng defending champion. To number 21. Guy, kick out. For 3. Ay, sagot ang defending champion. Iggy, pinigay. Numerecho and gets a foul. What a cross pass. Oh!
And one.
Basket count and one.
First personal foul, team foul.
15, 18. Baba sa tatlo ang lamang ng defending champion. Number 13. Gets a foul.
Foul number 5.
Five.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Pick up for 3. Oh! Basket para kay Castor. Pressure defense ng West Grabe. Felipe. Pass to Paul. Cross-court pass. Bahe. For a save. Albaladeo for 3. Wala. Rebound by Pahe. Pahe. Uy.
Foul number 17.
There's a foul. Number 17.
Warning for penalty.
Time remaining, 1 minute and 55 seconds. Bahe, shooting for 2. No good. Second shot for Pahe. Wala. Rebound ng West Krame Elementary School. Pass number 31. Pinasa gitna. Basket. Ayan na. Felipe. Gets a foul. Number 33. Pacho.
First personal foul,
Shooting the line. Jersey number 4. Binky. Felipe.
official score 15-23.
Second shot. Basket. 2 for 2 for Felipe. Ano ba? Dalawa pumasok? Dalawa? Ay, isa lang. 16-23. Number 33, wala. Number 15, wala. Rebound by Felipe. Pass to Albaladeo. Ligay, number 5. Uy, napalakas. Rebound ng defending champion. Pass number 17 to number 33. Wala. Rebound. Ay na, Albaladeo, 4-3. No good. Good. Pass to Paul. Kililan, 4-3. Short. Rebound ng defending champion. Ay na, De Discarte. Binigay. Steal. Number 19 will recover. And one. Basket count. And one. By jersey number 19. Time remaining, last 35 seconds, natin first period. Uy! Akit sa 10 ang lamang ng defending champion. Out of bound, last touch. Bola rito ng West Krame Elementary School. Time remaining, last 31 seconds.
31.3 seconds left.
Number 13 setting on the play.
25. 5 seconds to shoot.
Umatake, wala. Rebound by Albaladeo.
15 seconds.
Number 5. Umatake, score. Baba sa 8 ang lamang. Tumira sa 3. Uy.
4.4 seconds.
Last 4 seconds. Albaladeo, 4-3. Oh. That's the end of our first period. Official score 26-18 in favor of the defending champ, ang West Crame Elementary School. Alright, magbabalik tayo para sa ating second period. Lamang ng 8. And thank you po sa nagbigay ng star. And Ma'am Joy Laruskain, maraming salamat po sa pa-star. God bless po.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game. Going to the second period. Lamang pa rin ang defending champion. Step back two. No good. Rebound. Block. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to C. Best. Last touch. West Crame Elementary School basketball. De La Cruz. Pass to Pedragosa. Spin using the glass. Basket. Babasa ni Mang Labang ng defending champion. 26-20. Gets the 3. Wala. Rebound. Pedragosa. Pass to Santiago. Pass to De La Cruz. And that's a traveling violation. Bola ng West Crame Elementary School. Number 28. Tinasa loob. Binigay sa corner. Catch and shoot. Short. Rebound. By number 23. Pedragosa. Napalakas. Time out.
Time out,
West Crame. Official score 26-20. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng defending champion.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Let's go. Official score 26-20. 6-point lead para sa defending champ. Illegal screen, offensive foul. Yes. Pass to Pedragosa. Nasa corner. And gets the foul. Buanzon shooting on the line for Santa Lucia Elementary School. Minutes and 36 seconds. basket. 21-26. Down by 5.
21-22.
Number 28 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 12.
Mike Brown. Foul number Corsino. First personal foul. First team foul.
Running shot. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ng defending champion. Tumira and score. Santiago pass to si Gonzon. To Pedragosa. Outlet pass. Umatake. Wala. Rebound. Oh, there's a foul. Number 11, that's Bessie.
11C. First personal foul. Second team foul. Pakiusap sa lahat ng players na natiling nakaupo.
Second shot is good. Pedragosa. Pass to Santiago. Fake. Santiago nabitawan. Outlet pass. Ayan na. All the way. No good. Number 28. No good. Nakuha pa rin ang West Grame. Pass number 1. Nabitawan. Out of bound. Number 13, Corsino.
Pull down minutes. Jersey number 13.
Number
Jersey
13.
number 13. Pull down po.
Pull down muna. Time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds.
Isa lang po.
Basket by number 12. Second shot, no good. Gets the 3 short.
5 seconds.
Pass number 23, that's a traveling violation. Out and pass. Uy, block. Ang lalim niyan. Uy. No good. Yes, that reach. No good. Rebound by Santiago. Pass to Jai. Torre. Steal. Steal by Jai. Uy, napalakas nga lang. Pass doon. Change time tayo.
Pakitaan po ang mga jersey.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Steal by number 6. Mangas to number 14. Ganda naman ang pass doon. 23, 30, pass number 19, catch and shoot, no good, rebound by number 6, outlet pass to number 14, 2 against 1, and gets the foul. Foul dito, si Coach Laruskain.
First personal foul, 13 foul.
2 shots para jersey number 14. Oh, good. Rebound. Ayan, wala pong anuman, Sir Cordovilla. Former Kagawad of the West of the Corazon de Jesus. Ayan, wala pong anuman, Sir Roderick Cordovilla. Shoutout po. Torres, staring on the play. Pinasa corner, 4-3, no good, rebound. Makuha ng defending champion, Malong. Pass to Argarin, to number 19, steal by number 14. Number 14, wala. Rebound, makakuha ni Coach Laruskain. Pass to number 19. Binigay, Argarin. Ooh. And that's a 7 on the line. And up, 4-3. Uy, wala. Rebound. Ang defending champion. Malong. Bounce pass. Coach Laruskain. Miss. Rebound. Makakuha ni Jai. Torre nagpapadali. 3 against 2. Torre. Wow, number 15. Algarin.
First personal foul, 13 foul.
Shot para kay Jai Torre. Time remaining 2 minutes and 52 seconds. This shot is good for Jai Torre. Second shot, basket, 2 for 2. Remaining time 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Laruskain. Pass to Argarin, binasa sa loob, steal by De La Cruz. Pass to Jai. Torre nagmamadali, 4 against 3. Jai, what a pass! What a wow! Ayun na. Number 2, 4-3. Whoa! That's Gamboa, 4-3. 35-27. Jai. The number 14, pass to Mangas. Pinasa sa corner, 4-3, miss. De La Cruz, basket. Last 2 minutes tayo sa ating first half. Coach Laruskain, pass to number 2, fake to Argarin, to Laruskain. Binigay. Pinasa corner, Malong, catch and shoot. Miss, rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Jai. Jai waiting for his teammate. Torre. Nigay. Number 14. Pass to Torre. Torre, top of the key for 3. Miss, rebound. 2 against 2. Take a shot, no good. Rebound by number 14. Ayun na ang Santa Lucia LM. Jai. Torre, bounce pass to number 10. Walang tawag. Rebound by Malong. Pass to Laruskain and gets the foul. By Jai.
Number 16, Yami. First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Pare, bumagal ka, bumagal. Bilisan nyo ko
1 minute and 10 seconds. Binagay sa corner. Pass to Laros Cain. Catch and shoot. Bang! 2 points rather for Laros Cain. 37-29. Nabitawan. Steal. Malong. Drop pass. Argarin. Oh, sorry, that's Garcia. Time out dito ang Santa Lucia. Elementary School. Official score 37-29. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng ating Santa Lucia Elementary School.
Official score
39-29 po.
West Grande Elementary School.
10-point lead para sa ating defending champ.
Back to the building.
Ay, shoutout daw po si Narzoles. Idol niya si Chukoy. Jersey number 6. Nationales. Nakitawid ng Santa Lucia. Pass number 14. Gets the 3. Wala. Oh. Gets the foul. Number 15, Argarin.
Second personal foul, penalty.
Last 29 seconds. 2 shots for De La Cruz. Wala. Second shot for De La Cruz. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Malong. Last 25 seconds. Argarin may tahangan ng bola. Pass to Coach Laros Cain. Setting on the play. Laros Cain. Catch and shoot. Garcia miss. Argarin with a putback. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. 41-29. Shoutout po. Ayun o, idol. Alright. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. Pagkakapumuna tayo for the meantime. Muli, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta na ating live. Ayan. Shoutout lamang ang defending champion.
Para po sa next game.
Hanggang sa muli. Magbabalik tayo for second half.